We often think of our businesses and our activities within them as purely utilitarian. We're there for economic reasons, and we balance what we have to do at our places of work with activities outside that pay more attention to aesthetics. But why do we so casually forego the opportunity to transcend our day-to-day existence at our place of work? Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. There's an Aussie film called The Proposition, in which a lawman apprehends a notorious outlaw and gives him 9 days to kill his older brother, or else they'll execute his younger brother. As the two brothers ride across a glorious outback sunset, the firstborn sits awestruck in his saddle and exclaims, "That is beautiful, even for a misanthrope like me." Beauty is our connection to the divine, to that which is most high on our hierarchy of value. Why would we choose to merely exist in our places of work without any attempt to connect to the transcendent? We need to make a link with what is beyond us to preserve us when the times get rough. A patch of blue sky through a slit window was enough beauty to sustain Viktor Frankl in his darkest hours, imprisoned in the Nazi concentration camps. Thank goodness we don't live in concentration camps, and for most of us, we can make choices about our relationship with beauty in the workplace. We all understand the gift that Steve Jobs gave the world when the form, function, and fit of his products redefined our expectations of what a difference attention to beauty can make to our experience as a user. He famously had his team sign their names on the inside of the first Apple Mac, despite the fact that no one would ever see that inside view. We can all aspire to bring our beauty to our work and make what we see on the outside a reflection of how, on the inside, we have connected to the transcendent and the beauty it contains. My course for Systems Thinker explores the idea of appreciating beauty in the everyday to deliver consistently high-performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.